Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones REDMI Buds 4 Pro on your iOS device. So basically you have a few options how to doing it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top, add widget, scroll down and click on batteries. Then choose the best one widget for you, that's okay for me, and click Add widget. And right here you can check battery level all time. And the second one is to use an application, so just open it, and right here we have a battery level for the left one and right one earbuds, and also a charging case. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!